I've got solid intelligence that people at Fox are told, for instance, if they ever discuss the birther story, they're off the air. They're done. Don't dare do this. I'm not quite ready to print it yet because I had to give the information over to the sheriff's posse. This is information the sheriff's posse has been developing as well. I think the squashing of the birth certificate, the Obama lack of documentation as to who he is a story the White House has sat on, Fox and others, and say, if you do this, you're done.